It Cosmetics, ColourPop, Jouer, Morphe, Huda Beauty, Farsali, NYX, just to name a few. You're going to see it all here, and it's a wow. Welcome to It's a Wow. There's nothing like a red, shiny, glossy lip to take you from day to evening seamlessly. Stay tuned for amazing tutorials. This gorgeous foundation brush is from It Cosmetics. And by the way, they're cruelty-free, animal-free, and pro-hygienic. Check them out. This contour and winged eyeliner is perfect for day, but the line of sparkles and the red lip makes it perfect for night. It's a wow. Huda Beauty was founded in 2013, launched at Sephora with the first product of false eyelashes. These Huda Beauty eyeshadow colors look awesome in all types of skin, all colors of skin, all ethnicities. It's just a wow. Wow, talk about carving out a perfect eyebrow. Let's see what else she does. The 3D Brow Tones eyebrow enhancers from Benefit can color the brows and add dimension. That is some flawless looking skin. Wish we could all have that. This Farsali Skin Tone Blur Facial Primer contains vitamin C and cucumber extract. This shows you can mix luxury products with drugstore products and get an awesome result. It's a wow. Mixing a palette like a true artist. It's a wow. The mixing of two different foundation colors to find the perfect shade for your skin tone is a makeup artist trick. Doesn't have to be expensive. Try mixing luxury brands with drugstore brands. Mixing primers can make the perfect canvas for your foundation. This is Farsali Unicorn Essence Antioxidant Primer Serum mixed with the Skin Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. It's a wow. Farsali also makes Volcanic Elixir and Rose Gold Elixir. Amazing to prep and prime the skin. This is how to pull off black lipstick. It's a wow. She is absolutely hysterical and love the Urban Decay Cherry palette. Let's see how this goes. The Naked Cherry eyeshadow palette featured 12 all-new shades for the perfect pink or cranberry eyeshadow look with never-seen-before eye pencils, vice lipsticks, but let's get back to the action. The Pretty Rich Diamond Light eyeshadow palette from Too Faced is a wow. 16 shades inspired by real diamonds. Take a look. Makeup Forever brand Artist Color eye, lip, and brow pencils come in 39 shades, richly pigmented, and can be used to create many looks. This violet pencil in the waterline is gorgeous. It's a wow. This is a perfect example of how you can use the same eyes, the same cheeks, the same highlighter, and just change your lip color to get a totally awesome and different effect. It's a wow.